Do you know the secret to Lush, pest-free plants could be sitting right in your kitchen? Today, I'm going to show you how to make a powerful plant tonic using just guava leaves and rice water. And trust me, your garden will thank you. Guava leaves are loaded with tannins, a natural defense against pests and fungal infections, while rice water is packed with minerals and starch that feed your plants and boost soil health. Together, they create a nutrient-rich tonic that works like magic. Take a handful of fresh or dried guava leaves. Crush them slightly so the nutrients release easily. Take 1 liter of leftover rice water from rinsing or boiling rice. Cool down. Pour the guava leaves into the rice water. Let this sit for 12 to 24 hours to infuse naturally. Strain the mixture. Use it to water the base of your plants once a week for nutrient boost. Or pour into a spray bottle and mist leaves to keep pests away. This works on vegetables, flowers, and even indoor plants, giving them stronger roots and healthier leaves while keeping pests at bay.